Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope that you all are great now. I'm your teacher Wasim Gill. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I welcome you all in my online lecture series. Students, today we are going to discuss about the play number 4 about the A classes and B classes, Smoke Screen. So Smoke Screen, which is written by Harvard Brickhouse. So let's talk about the major character about this play. Our very first character of this play and the lead character is Primrose. Primrose Aston is a main lead character in this play and heroine of this play student. The second one is Lucy Aston is mother of the Primrose. The third one is Susan Merridew is aunt of the Primrose. Fourth one is Clarice. Clarice is also a friend of Primrose. And the fifth one is John. John is a football player and who wants to marry with the Primrose. So these are the five major characters. Play number 4, Smoke Screen. I hope you will understand now about the characters. So now we are going to discuss about the main point and the main summary of this play number 4, which is written by Harlow Brickhouse Smoke Screen. So stay with me now. Okay, students. Hopefully you get know about the characters. So let's get some major important points of this play. The very first play, Lucy is a divorced woman and she lived a very contented life after the death of her husband. Because after the death of her husband, she really worked hard and she will be able to how to live a better life and better education to their kids and especially Primrose, her daughter. But unfortunately, her daughter Primrose was ignored and she becomes spoiled. The next point is Primrose has become a liberal. Primrose now she wants to become a very liberal and she has now because after the death of father, her mother Lucy does not be able to give her a proper time and she was ignored. Primrose actually ignored and she become a spoiled child and she remains late out of her house late at night and she take alcoholic and addict alcoholic and she takes smoking and cigar also. So that's why her auntie Suzanne very worried about her. His auntie Suzanne very worried about the Primrose and she complained. So then auntie hides her purse when she was trying to go outside for the party late at night. Her auntie Suzanne tried to hide his purse and she doesn't allow her to go to outside for the party and stay late at night and take alcoholic and smoking. So that's why her auntie Suzanne worried about the Primrose and she complains Primrose to her mother Lucy. But Lucy gives adverse remarks about the Suzanne, about the Primrose to Suzanne. And Lucy, mother of Primrose, asks about the asks to the Suzanne that now the generation has become his own value. And today, 21st century, there are lots of new generation live that kind of life. They are liberal. They are stay late at they remain late night at how their houses. So that's why Suzanne worried about the life of Primrose after the death of her father. And the fourth one, Clarice. Clarice, she is also a friend of Primrose, but when she comes to know about the marriage of John and Primrose, she comes to her house and reveal a secret. She comes to and reveal a secret to her mother and her auntie Suzanne. And she told that your daughter going to marry with the John. John was a football player and he's a black people person. So that's why Clara come to her house and a secret are revealed. And then Lucy tried to, John is not a perfect match. Lucy lots of pride gave the remarks about the personality of the John to the Primrose. And she says that John is not a perfect match. So that's why she becomes very worried about the Primrose decision. But at the end, she agreed with her daughter because Primrose says, Mom, to Lucy, you married for the love which is not fulfilled. And I'm going to marry with a loyalty, with a kind of heart and the inner personality. So here we go now the basic thing which is very important about the know the personality about the adverse. Primrose remarks give the inner beauty and Lucy says about the outer beauty. Whereas in this play we are going to see the now about the two generation gap. So here we go now the what is generation gap, how could we elaborate in this play. So stay with me now. Okay students, hopefully you understand betterly about the character and the major point which we have already discussed about this play. Now we are going to discuss about the important question about play number 4. The very first question about the smoke screen is discuss the title of smoke screen. And the second one is discuss generation gap. And the third, practice catch of Primrose and the Lucy. So these are the major assignments about this play. But we are proceeding now. Before proceeding, we are going to discuss about the generation gap, a very important question of play number 4. So we have already discussed about student generation gap in play number 2. If you remember about the boy comes home by A. Milne. In that play also we have discussed about the generation gap, because generation gap is first of all we will discuss about the definition of generation gap. Definition of generation gap means difference between the way of thinking from one generation to another generation. Students, I hopefully you will understand now. Generation gap is a very important question. And the third one is a Primrose character. A liberal lady, a spoiled child, remains late at night from her house, out from her house, and going to the party, attended lots of party, and taking the smoking, and he is also addicted by the alcohol. So that's why her auntie angry at him, and that's why the next one is the character of the Lucy. Lucy is also a very important lead character of this play. Examination point of view, these are the two characters very important, which now we will be able to understand the character, because examiner can ask you the question about the character of Primrose, also ask the character of the Lucy, and the generation gap and the smoke screen title. So these are the major assignments which we have already discussed about the play number 4. So hopefully you got my message and you will be able to understand the play number 4 smoke screen. Okay student, if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, because when I am going to make a new video, it will be automatically show your on subscription box and your bell icon, because this is very important to boost up me for making a new video for you and bring a new lots of knowledge. So stay with me now, learn with the Scene Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.